Your Monte Carlo espresso machine comes with an internal pump to give pressure to the group heads and to ensure that the boilers can fill consistently. In the UK, the pump will be activated in pre-shipping testing to ensure a seamless installation. If for some reason your pump is not active, we will need to access the pump activation setting. Enter standby mode by pressing and holding the bottom right corner of the display. Then press and hold the menu icon for 5 seconds. You will then see password. Select using the tick icon and enter the password, which is plus minus plus minus plus. Then use the plus key to scroll to installation. And select using the tick key. Use the plus key again to scroll to boiler filling up. Select this using the tick icon, then use the plus key until the screen shows boiler filling up with pump, and confirm with the tick key. Use the small arrow icons to exit the installation menu, the same icon to exit the technical menu, and then press the power icon to turn your machine on. If your boilers aren't filled, your pump should kick in automatically. If your pump doesn't activate automatically, try pulling some water from the hot water outlets until you hear the boiler pump activate.